We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive, unbiased look at the Kitsch Satin Pillowcase with zipper for hair and skin in the leopard print. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable. The Kitsch Satin Pillowcase is designed to elevate your sleep experience while offering tangible benefits for both hair and skin. Made from 100% polyester satin with a 600 thread count, this pillowcase is often described as softer than silk and notably smoother than traditional cotton pillowcases. The brand promises a wrinkle-free, cooling, and smooth surface, and the inclusion of a zipper closure ensures the pillow stays securely in place throughout the night. The standard size is 19 by 26 inches, making it suitable for most pillows, and the leopard print adds a stylish accent to any bedroom decor. One of the most prominent features highlighted by users is the premium quality of the satin fabric. Many reviewers note that the pillowcase feels exceptionally soft and luxurious against the skin, creating a soothing sensation that enhances the overall comfort of bedtime. Unlike cotton, which can be rough and absorbent, the satin surface reduces friction and helps maintain the skin's natural moisture. This is particularly beneficial for those with sensitive skin, as the pillowcase glides smoothly and minimizes irritation, helping to prevent the formation of sleep lines and wrinkles. Some users with delicate eyelashes and eyebrows have also noted that the satin fabric helps keep these fragile areas intact overnight, further supporting the claim of beauty-enhancing benefits. The Kitsch Satin Pillowcase is especially popular among individuals seeking to improve their hair health. Many customers report a significant reduction in hair breakage, tangling, and frizz after switching from cotton to satin. The smooth, slippery texture of the pillowcase allows hair to move freely during sleep, preventing the tugging and friction that often lead to split ends and damage. This is particularly advantageous for those with curly, textured, or chemically treated hair, as the pillowcase helps retain natural oils and moisture, resulting in smoother, shinier, and more manageable hair in the morning. Several reviewers mention that their hair feels noticeably healthier and that morning styling is easier and less time-consuming. Another aspect frequently praised is the cooling effect of the satin fabric. Users describe the pillowcase as cool to the touch, providing relief during warm nights and helping to regulate temperature for a more restful sleep. While some mention the need for an occasional pillow flip to maintain the cool sensation, the consensus is that the Kitsch Satin Pillowcase stays cooler than most cotton alternatives. This cooling property, combined with a soft texture, contributes to a luxurious and comfortable sleep environment. The zipper closure is a standout feature that receives consistent positive feedback. Unlike envelope-style cases that can slip off or shift during the night, the hidden zipper on the Kitsch Satin Pillowcase keeps the pillow securely encased. This ensures a tidy appearance and prevents the pillow from bunching or sliding out, even for restless sleepers. The zipper is discreet and does not interfere with comfort, and many users appreciate the added convenience and peace of mind it provides. In terms of aesthetics, the leopard print is frequently mentioned as a fun and stylish addition to bedroom decor. The print is described as vibrant and true to the product images, adding a pop of personality without overwhelming the space. Some users note that the color may appear slightly different depending on lighting conditions, but overall, the design is well received and considered versatile enough to complement a range of bedding styles. Ease of care is another advantage highlighted by reviewers. The pillowcase is machine washable and can be tumble-dried on low heat, making it simple to maintain. Users report that the fabric holds up well after repeated washes, retaining its softness, sheen, and color. There are occasional mentions of fold marks or wrinkles after washing, but these typically diminish with use or after additional laundering. The durability of the pillowcase is generally rated highly, with many customers expressing satisfaction with its long-term performance. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few drawbacks noted by some users. One common issue is sizing. While the standard size fits most pillows, those with larger or extra long pillows may find the fit too snug, leading to a smushed appearance or difficulty zipping the case closed. It is recommended to measure your pillow before purchasing to ensure compatibility. Conversely, slightly smaller pillows still fit well as the zipper keeps them securely in place. Another minor drawback is the slipperiness of the satin fabric. Some side sleepers report that their head or face can slide toward the edges or bottom of the pillow during the night due to the slick surface. While this is not a universal complaint, it may be a consideration for those who prefer a more stationary sleep experience. A few users mention that the pillowcase can wrinkle easily, especially after washing, but these wrinkles tend to smooth out with use. The fabric's softness, while generally seen as a benefit, can also contribute to this effect. Additionally, although the pillowcase is marketed as wrinkle-free, some customers feel that the claim is only partially accurate. However, the overall consensus is that the comfort and benefits far outweigh these minor inconveniences. The Kitsch Satin Pillowcase is also vegan-friendly, offering an alternative to traditional silk without compromising on the luxurious feel. This makes it an appealing choice for those who prefer cruelty-free products. The pillowcase is lightweight, weighing just 3.2 ounces, and is manufactured in China. It has received a strong customer response with over 25,000 ratings and an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars, ranking highly in the bed pillow pillowcases category on Amazon. In summary, the Kitsch Satin Pillowcase with zipper for hair and skin stands out for its combination of comfort, style, and tangible beauty benefits. Its smooth, cooling surface supports both hair and skin health, reducing friction, breakage, and irritation. The hidden zipper ensures a secure fit, and the fun leopard print adds a decorative touch. The pillowcase is easy to care for and durable, maintaining its quality through multiple washes. While there are some minor issues with sizing and slipperiness, these are outweighed by the positive experiences reported by the majority of users. If you are looking to upgrade your sleep routine, protect your hair and skin, or simply add a touch of luxury to your bedroom, the Kitsch Satin Pillowcase is a highly recommended option. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. If you have tried this pillowcase, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed choice.